Everyone wants to know how to be more masculine. They want tricks, they want confidence hacks, they want some secret formula. I'm going to tell you right now, there's no tricks. It's not about pickup lines. Masculinity isn't something you do. It's not how you look. It's the way you carry your stress and your problems and pressure. And the way you carry pressure determines everything. Masculinity shows up in how you handle discomfort, how you handle failure, and how you handle responsibility. I see this constantly with the young men that I train, and it's not just in the gym, but in life. So I thought I'd talk about it. If you want to be more masculine, you want more respect, if you want to be taken more seriously, or if you're looking to attract more feminine energy into your life, there's really only 3 rules you need to follow. Rule number 1, don't complain ever. Men still get tired, they still get hurt, they still get overwhelmed, they just don't announce it. Complaining is one of the least masculine behaviors there is because it's you externalizing pressure instead of containing it. If you're tired, it will show, but never mention it, never complain about it. If you're physically hurting or injured, you don't go around announcing it because that's just complaining. If anything, you should mask or hide your sickness and injuries or completely ignore them and act like you don't even notice. If you're doing difficult, meaningful work, discomfort becomes normal. And making that look easy is what makes you more masculine. There was an old saying from a James Bond movie, never let them see you bleed. And in The Art of War, it says you should appear strong when you are weak. If life is heavy, carry it. This doesn't mean you deny reality. It means you don't lead with weakness. Strength is quiet. Competence doesn't need a commentary. The world doesn't need a status update on how hard your day was. Everyone is tired. Everyone's having a hard day. It's your job to act like it doesn't bother you. If you're overwhelmed, move forward one step at a time, one task at a time, but do not complain ever. Rule number 2, never make excuses. Every excuse is you explaining why responsibility doesn't belong to you. Stop feeling the need to explain yourself and come up with reasons why you messed up or why you failed at something. Masculinity is ownership, especially when the outcome is bad. Strong men don't explain why something failed. They own it, they adjust, they moved forward. The moment you stop making excuses, people trust you more because they know you won't dodge responsibility when things get hard, and you start trusting yourself more too. Rule number 3, don't talk bad about people. Men who talk badly about others are announcing insecurity. If you're constantly pointing at what other people are doing wrong, you're telling the world you feel threatened. Masculine men don't posture. They don't compare. They don't explain. They move like they have no competition because internally they don't. Act like you're not threatened by anything. Even if you are, never show it. And when you carry yourself like that, other people feel it too. This is not arrogance. It's internal certainty. Masculinity isn't loud. It doesn't beg to be understood. And it doesn't ask for sympathy. It's controlled, it's owned, and it shows up in how you carry weight when no one's watching. Stop advertising discomfort. Stop making excuses. Stop competing out of insecurity.